Master your Sony A1's mechanical shutter to conquer challenging lighting and unleash peak image quality. Let's dive into how to control the mechanical shutter on your Sony A1 first. Access the main menu by pressing the menu button. Navigate to the Shooting tab, which is typically represented by a camera icon. Scroll down within this tab until you find the option for shutter type. Select shutter type here. You'll see your options mechanical and electronic. To enable the mechanical shutter, simply select mechanical. This is your traditional shutter, offering excellent image quality without the risk of rolling shutter artifacts. Conversely, to disable the mechanical shutter and use the silent, faster electronic shutter, select electronic. Now, why does this matter? Using the mechanical shutter generally provides the best overall image quality, especially in terms of color accuracy and reducing banding under artificial lighting like fluorescent bulbs, which can cause unsightly stripes in your photos with electronic shutters. However, the electronic shutter shines in its silent operation and its ability to achieve extremely high burst rates. It's also ideal for situations where you need to be completely quiet, such as wildlife photography or certain events. When shooting under challenging artificial lights and using the mechanical shutter, it's also wise to look for an anti-flicker setting within your camera's shooting menu. Enabling this feature helps the camera detect and compensate for light frequency, further minimizing any potential banding, even with the mechanical shutter engaged. For general photography, where silence isn't a concern, keeping the mechanical shutter enabled is often the safest bet for optimal image quality. But for capturing fleeting moments or creating a truly silent shooting experience, embrace the electronic shutter, keeping the potential for banding in mind and using anti-flicker when necessary.